earning money is the easiest thing you can manifest. I know it's mind blowing right now and hard to believe, but trust me, earning money should be your least concerned thing. Because it is one of the easiest thing you can achieve. I have coached thousands of people. I have helped in limitless situations with people. But trust me, manifesting money is one of the easiest things you can manifest with right techniques. All right. So next time you're worried about your career, about your job position, about your income, watch this video twice or thrice. But in this video, you will understand everything that you need to know about manifesting money and the mindset it takes. It will take time for you to develop that mindset because you have been trained and reprogrammed wrong your entire life. So decoding that and turning that into something educational, some into a mindset that will reap you abundance will take time. Going from a mindset that is putting you in a loophole to changing that mindset completely to becoming an extremely abundant person will take time. That doesn't mean that money manifestation is hard. It's upon your willpower. How much trust and how much faith are you putting in yourself, in your dreams, and how much intensity are you putting in your manifestations? Because that is going to help you reap benefits. Unlike other manifestations for SP, for house, for car, trust me, manifesting money is the easiest manifestation. I have thousands of clients for manifesting SP, but manifesting money is easier than any other manifestation. All right, and there is one trick that I'll tell you in this video that will help you manifest money like anything, and that was the first trick that I followed before I started earning, before I started my manifestation journey as well, because that will help you see undoubtable results in getting money in your life. And that's my word to you, because that thing worked for me, someone who barely believed in manifestation before I started my journey. So it will 101% work for you, someone who is watching this video for manifestation. So if it worked for me, it will 101% work for you. Do this trick to manifest money and abundance in your life like crazy, undoubtable money. Okay, and that trick is so simple but yet so powerful, because that will help you reprogram your subconscious mind. And that trick is donation. Okay, that will just take you aback a little, like, why donation? What does donation do? Trust me, money loves circulation. Money is a thing that loves give and take. If you see the definition of money or currency, it is an exchange, it is a transfer. So more you try to save your money, I'm not saying saving is wrong, but the more you try, pay attention to the word try, the more you try to save money, the more you try to hold on to money. It's not, I'll repeat again, it's not the saving that you're doing, it's the subconscious blockage that is making you fear that if I do not save my money, I'll be broke, or I need to save money, or having that, or even if you have more than enough, that middle class mindset that I will just save, or I will use a low quality product so I can save certain pennies. That saving, that's what I'm talking about. Donation helps you to rotate money without any desire of getting it in return, right? Because donation is just like once you donate, it's done, you don't get anything in return, right? Donation will help you understand how powerful you are. When I had my first income and I was not that famous, I was not that young as well, right? I was 17 when I first started earning. and I was in a situation where I had to earn, I mean, with the most least income that I had in my bank account. I think it was around 3,000. That was all I had in my bank account. That was all I had. Okay. And I had earned that amount editing certain posts, which took me a long time, right? And those 3,000 I donated. I emptied my bank and I donated the entire 3,000. And this is not something everyone can do, but I wanted to do because me being me. I wanted to donate that 3,000 because I wanted to prove myself that I am so capable that donating 3,000 for me is extremely easy and I can literally do that. That's how much income I have in my wallet, that I can easily donate 3,000. And eventually that happened because I changed my mindset. Whenever I used to spend, I used to be like, I have so much that I can easily spend this. I have so much, I can easily cut out this expense. It's like nothing for me. Right? So that is how I trained my mind. And it took time. But it got trained. It got trained to imagine that this is what she deserves. This is what she has. This is what she is going to attract because she is on that vibration, that she has that certain amount. And that started turning into reality. This one small habit, and I'm not telling you to donate 3,000 as well. I want you to put certain actions that will make your subconscious mind believe that it's true. And that action can be as big as what I did, as small as what you believe. And that small action can even be donating few amount, or you can research about what actions you can do to make your subconscious mind believe that you are rich, or you have abundance, you have income. That can be how you carry yourself, that can be how you dress, that can be the kind of perfume you use, that can be the kind of language you speak. Whatever you do, I don't care what action you do. If you donate, that is the easiest and the fastest way to get results, to attract money, because you are directly going into that process of rotation, right? Like when you're investing, you're seeing your benefit. Even money loves rotation, and even investing is a rotation. But why I am emphasizing on donation, because in investment you are expecting a return for your own benefit, but when you're donating you're not doing that. So that gives you a upper hand, to prove your subconscious mind that I can give away money without having anything. So that much income I have with me, right? So that is how you need to train your subconscious mind eventually. All right. So this is how you will put actions. Now that actions can vary, like I said. But yeah, donation is one of the powerful action. That's the trick. But you can use other tricks as well. You can use other actions as well, which are suitable to you, right? If there is a certain makeup product that you're avoiding because you're scared that will be too much, buy that. Because when I yeah, even when I was in Scotland, okay, this was way later on. When I was in Scotland, I brought a 20 pound lipstick. I don't remember if it was 20 pound, but yeah, it was a very expensive lipstick. And basically I got shouted on because itni who buys this much expensive lipstick when you are suddenly in a new city, right? We had to manage our expenses, our finances. I was in my own dreamland. I went and brought a 20 pound lipstick because I knew that I was going to have so much income that next time I'll come here and buy this lipstick twice and thrice and 4 times. And trust me, I did that exactly 2 months later. I went to that shop again. It was like a grocery shop, like a general store that they have in Scotland. I went there and I brought that lipstick thrice. Same lipstick, but 3 quantities of them. That's what I brought. I took it, brought it with me at home. Exactly 2 months later. And the money that I had used, 20 pounds, was not mine, that was my dad's. But whenever I used that money, I was like, next time when I come here, I'm gonna buy 3 of them. But I'm gonna buy it because this is what I spend. This is how much money I have. This is the type of lipstick I use. And trust me, in my family, my mother's sister, you can just say my Masi, she doesn't believes in money rotation. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of people in your family. This is what I'm giving an example of my family, but you can see this in your family as well. There will be a lot of people who will create blockages for you, who will tell you nevertheless, who will tell you that beta ऐसे नहीं करते, child don't do this is not right, this is not how you do, and you have to do exactly what they tell you not to do. Trust me, because they are in that situation, because they did not have, and because they never did that, right? So if you are talking to someone who is not rich, do not take their advice to become rich. Okay, me and my sister, we went to a mall, right? And my sister just liked a Sephora products. We walked in, and I did not have high income at that point. We walked in, she told me that she liked certain products. I told them buy. All those products included costed me 11,000, and that's what I bought. Because for me, buying 11,000 products was nothing. That was my mindset. And today, it's really nothing. So what I want you to know by this is that what you train your mindset, that is what you will reap. And yeah, the example that I gave of my mother's mother, I don't know what we say that in English, but in Hindi we call it Masi. She scolded me, told me ki, why to buy such a expensive makeup. Whenever I get my nails done, whenever I get my hairs done, I can simply go to a local shop, and there I'll get the same thing, not same thing, but I'll get the haircut done, right? No, but I'll always end up in a place that is expensive, that looks branded, because I know what my hairs need. I know what my nails need. If I am earning that, my status is gonna be that. So that is what I have trained myself. That is how I train my subconscious mind. This is not where I belong. Even if I might have my last 1,000, and I have to get a haircut, I'll get a haircut of 1,000 rupees. I won't get a haircut of 200 rupees, because that is what will make my subconscious mind believe that I have more than enough. So if you think that this video made even the slightest of sense to you and opened your mind, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, because I'm going to be uploading part 2 on how to earn money, and there will be more tricks, more few tricks that you can follow to manifest abundance in your life. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your family, with your sister, with someone who might need this to earn money and grow in their career. Because trust me, it's the easiest thing. I'm telling it 1,000 times. It's the easiest thing you can manifest in your life. That's money. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.